Catherine Bernardo
Can
update.
you guess the movie with this line? Ma, ganda! Ma, talino! Ma, sipag! Pero higit sa lahat, ma, pagmahal!
Siyempre, Lola
Drop your
Big Boy.
answers in the comments. Winners will receive a very, very special gift.
Yan,
I can't wait for you all to see my wax figure twin at Madame Tussauds, Hong Kong.
Abangan si Catherine sa July 9 sa Glorieta Farm Drive Activity Center. Yun, no? Yan yung mechanics. So, ito yung post ni Catherine sa kanyang Instagram. Ang cute pa nga ni Snowy, oh. Sabi, your nightly dose of cuteness, courtesy of Snowy and Hirono. Yan, no? Sa aking mga endorsement ni Catherine, Realme at TCL. So, ito yung behind the scene ni Catherine for Realme. Sabi sa caption, my babe look of that last shoot with her before I let Realme. Ang ganda pa nga ni Catherine, no? Kasama niya dyan si Snowy. So, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.